How do bones, muscles, and nerves work together? By Bill VanNuland. Lesson 3, pages 824 to 827. Our first question deals with bones and joints and how they work together. Bones are organs made of connective tissue. This video is a side cut of a bone that shows how the tissue is organized. Bones meet at joints where they attach to each other and muscles. Different kinds of joints allow for different kinds of movements. This cross-section of the bone tissue, you can see in a microscopic view. You can see the different cells working together to form the tissue, and then there's a bone cell. The second question is, how is the skeletal system organized? Well, bones are organized into a skeleton that protects us, our organs, and keeps us upright. Muscles are attached to bones by connective tissue called tendons. Here are tendons in the white that connect bone to muscle. Bones are attached to each other by connective tissue called ligaments. These are ligaments here in the white. They are connecting bone to bone. Some of our skeletal system is a connective tissue called cartilage. Cartilage coats the ends of the bones where they meet at a joint for smoother movement. Third main idea, the muscular system and how that's organized. There are three types of muscle. Voluntary. These muscles have bones, and they are the muscles we strengthen and work out to get bigger. They are the muscles that allow for movement, for example, in our arms to pick up a cup and drink. There is also a smooth type of muscle. They are the muscles that help our organs work. In this video here, you can see this is the bladder and the muscles around there, allowing it to stretch, fill, and push out urine. There's also cardiac muscle. These muscles make up the heart, which you see in the picture here, and pump the blood. And the fourth main idea, the nervous system and how that's organized. The nervous system is organized into two parts. There's the peripheral nervous system, made up of sensory organs like ears, eyes, and nose, and then the nerves. Nerves are a bunch of cells called neurons. These neurons move signals throughout the body to the brain. Those signals tell us what senses we feel. The second part is the central nervous system, made up of the brain and the spinal cord. You can see the brain up in our head and the spinal cord running down to the body, and all of those nerves running throughout the rest of our body. The brain interprets the signal and sends a response signal. The responses then travel through the nerves and tell the muscles what to do. The spinal cord is in charge of all the reflexes. Reflexes are signals that don't need to go all the way to the brain, and a response signal is sent right from the cord to the muscle. Thank you for listening to my presentation, and I hope you've learned a lot.